Pastor Cynthia Williams of Gregory Park, St Catherine has been arrested and charged by the Portmore operational support team of the Jamaica Constabulary force for breaching the disaster risk management order. Williams, who is 54-year-old, was arrested about 9:00 a.m. on Sunday after a police team, responding to reports, found more than 50 persons worshipping at her home. She will face the St Catherine Parish Court on July 28. She is facing the possibility of being fined up to $1 million and/or imprisonment for up to 1 year. Meanwhile, the police are reminding that no more than 10 persons can gather in a specific place at one time, which was put in place by the government in the effort to contain the spread of COVID-19 in Jamaica.